AV-LAN video review for the Pioneer VSX-LX50 AV receiver. Today we're going to talk you through some of its features, its on-screen graphics, its connections, and give you a basic idea of how to set it up.
New features of the LX50 receiver are its ability to decode Dolby True HD and DTS HD. These are new audio formats that are present on Blu-ray disc that utilises its high storage capacity. They're lossless and therefore uncompressed, unlike normal Dolby Digital and DTS. This results in a much improved sound quality over standard 5.1. They can also carry 7.1 discrete audio. On the front panel there are various different inputs. There's an optical input, a video input and analog left and right inputs. Also there's a USB pen stick input and an input for the setup microphone that helps you set it up for your particular room. You can see what happens when you put some files on a USB flash stick and play them through the menu of the LX50. You switch it over to USB input and here you can see the on-screen graphics. It also displays this information on the display of the actual receiver and you can browse the different folders. And it will sit there and play a whole album as well. Now onto the setup menus. Here you can see the auto setup, the MCACC, and here's some of the surround back options. You can see you've got lots of adjustments there if you want to manually sort of tweak around. This is where you save all the data, and you can manually set all the speakers up, set to small, large, etc. You've got a test tone to help you set the level up and set the speaker distance up. In the input setup you can assign the digital inputs to whichever input you want, so optical, coaxial. And there's also a setup here for the on-screen graphics and the SR Plus, which links it to other Pioneer equipment. Now on the back panel here you can see some of its inputs, the HDMI, the digital optical inputs, component inputs, the iPod input for their iPod connection lead, pre-out, as well as just normal S-video and composite video inputs and outputs. There's also a multi-channel input as well, if you want to hook up something that's got, a decoding or sort of future-proofs it. If there's anything else that comes out, any of the formats, you should be able to hook it up there with the analog just phono connections into the amplifier. Now, I'm going to show you here that you can, it's got 4mm binding posts, so these are filled in as per European Union regulations, but they will fit in. You can buy banana plugs as long as you just pull those little black bungs out.
That about wraps it up. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Pioneer VSX-LX50, and if you go to our website at www.avlan.co.uk, there you can view some more reviews of different products.